come down to having 540s, man, you have true 540s, your top have to be completely slanted in a 45-degree angle. It's a lot of people on YouTube claiming they got 540s. What they really have is a hybrid. Hybrid is pretty much two patterns mixed up into one. Don't worry about all that, man. In this video right now, I'm finna show you how I brush my 540s, man. So you thinking about getting 540s, man? Stay tuned.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your back SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, 540 waves, 360 waves, it don't matter. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. Look, hey, in this video right here, I'm finna show you how I brush my 540 waves, man. And no further ado, man, we're gonna, hey, you feel me? I ain't finna do all that talking, all that. We about to get right into the video, man. Okay, first and foremost, before we get into it, I want to give y'all a little disclaimer. The way you brush your top all depends on your crown placement, the way you brush your left side, your right side, and your back, and all that, you feel me? So take what I'm about to show you with a grain of salt, you feel me? Alright, man, let's pipe up, man. When it comes down to my 540 top, man, I always start on my left side. Mainly because my left side is more 360, and I continue that flow all the way out like that right there, you see. The more I go to my right, you'll notice I slant it more, you feel me? So, and with 540s, man, true 540s have a slant, you feel me? You don't have the 360 top. And you'll notice, let me go back to my left side. You'll notice on my left side that 360, right? And pay attention, you mainly want to pay attention to the way I hold my brush. When I get to my right side, like this right here, I start holding it as like a vertical, and I continue that right side flow out, you feel me, from there. So yeah, that's the main two things that you really want to pay attention to. If your swirl go the other way, you'll mainly be doing this you'll start on your right side, then work your way to your left. Like I said, it depends on a lot of these, just the basics of what I do, you feel me? So it depends on your crown placement and all that, so you want to keep all that in consideration, man. Okay, man, gang, I hope you learned something off that quick and simple tutorial, man. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video, another 540 video, but it's gonna be focused on the crown, man. So hey, join the game, man, so you don't miss another one, man, on your boy SwaggDrizzle, and I'm signing out, man.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low.